Why do some people seem to age faster while others are ageless wonders? We are all made of cells, and every minute of every day, our cells are under attack. Whether it's from external factors or the unavoidable wear and tear of being alive, these assaults create free radicals, harmful and reactive molecules that attack and damage cells. As the damage accumulates, your cells and you age. Here's how it works. Normally, when free radicals accumulate faster than they can be neutralized, it causes oxidative stress and inflammation. That oxidative stress can damage DNA and mitochondria and lead to the development of harmful age proteins. That's a problem because DNA contains our genetic blueprints. Damage can create simple typos in DNA that may compromise cell function. Mitochondria are the powerhouses generating the essential energy every cell needs. But when they are damaged, energy production declines, which impairs cell function and causes cells to age. The accumulation of damaged proteins, particularly age proteins, can also compromise cell function and integrity. Damaged cells not only replicate their damage, but they also produce more free radicals, accelerating cellular damage and aging. Powered by polyphenols, nature's most potent source of antioxidants, Vivix keeps your cells young. Vivix delivers a powerful dual defense at the cellular level to neutralize free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and blunt the inflammatory response. Keep your cells young. Live younger, longer. With an exclusive patented blend of polyphenols, scientifically proven to be 13 times more powerful than resveratrol alone. Just one serving provides powerful, immediate benefits. Taken daily, a lifetime of proven results. Keep your cells younger longer with the unmatched potency and anti-aging benefits of Vivix.